Hi, this is Becky Schultz. I'm here with Sean Laren, Product Manager for the Boom Lifts with Genie, and we are going to talk about new products being featured here at the American Rental Association show. Sean?
Absolutely, let's jump in. So we're really excited to be expanding our strategy this year and be unveiling a couple new products here at the ARA show.
Excellent.
So as Genie backs up and looks at the market overall, we're serving customers that are running businesses. They're renting our equipment and they're putting it out on job sites all over the country and all over the world. And there's a lot of variety in the kind of applications this equipment is doing.
Absolutely.
So Genie's been looking at how do we provide the right boom to the right application? How do we give our customers more choice so they can fit their business with all blue equipment?
Okay.
So for about 4 years, we've been expanding on our XC strategy, which is this boom right here, where we've been running a dual capacity, 1,000 pound, 660 pound lifting machine. And we now have those from 135 feet down to 40 feet on our boom product line.
Okay.
That's your workhorse boom. That's going to go out and do all the jobs on a job site. It can do the heavy lifting. It can work on ground slopes up to 7 degrees. It can basically tackle any job it needs to. We recognize that not every job site is that big, frankly.
Right.
Not every job site is lifting steel. It's not all infrastructure builds. There's other job sites such as multifamily apartments, large residential, small commercial type job sites that make up a lot of the market.
Sure.
So with that in mind, we're introducing a new series, the J series. And our very first product is the one on the other side of me here, the S-60J.
Okay.
So this is the complement to our XC, with the idea being that it fits a different set of applications. So it has a 660 pound lifting capacity, single envelope, and it's a very lightweight machine.
Okay.
So it's built around providing the essential performance needed for those applications like commercial and residential construction, while having the lowest possible cost of ownership for our customers who are managing their business and trying to manage the revenue coming in on their side with the equipment they own.
Right. So can you talk me through some of the features? You said it's very lightweight. What does that translate to for transporting this machine?
Absolutely. So the machine comes in at about 16,500 pounds, which is about 25% less weight than a boom of the class.
Okay.
On standard, if you look at ours or other competitors. So it's a lot lighter weight. It's also got a nice compact length and a few specific features we designed specifically for transporting. You actually, traditionally, when transporting a boom, you put it on the trailer and you run your boom stowed straight down the middle of the trailer.
All right.
We've set an optional offset, which allows you to basically tuck two booms together, combine with the low weight, and transport two machines at once, where previously for this size, you can only transport one machine.
And that makes a big difference when you're talking transport costs.
Absolutely. It's lowering transport costs. It's allowing our customers to focus on getting more equipment out on rent faster.
For sure, for sure. Any other features of this particular model that rental operations or end users should be aware of?
Absolutely. So this is a true Genie boom in terms of every single one of our Genie boom options is available. So this particular model I have behind me, it has our optional 3K generator set to provide power to the platform. We also have a 12K welder ready. That's our lift power system. So we can do full welding with this machine. It has available all of our other standard Genie options like pipe cradles, panel cradles to fit any job application that we need to put it on. This boom has been built around a right-sized component structure. So what I mean by that, where you might find on this size boom traditionally a 50 horsepower or 60 horsepower engine, our standard engine is a 24 horsepower Kubota engine.
Really?
Yes, and we've been able to achieve the same driving performance you traditionally have out of a 60-foot boom by focusing on optimizing our systems to that 24 horsepower engine.
Okay, that's very impressive. But you're not sacrificing performance of any kind.
No, we're providing all the essential performance. So we looked at how this machine has to deliver work, how it has to lift 660 pounds, the kind of mud, the kind of hills and terrain it has to be able to go over, and focus on delivering those. To do it with a 24 horsepower engine, we actually have some new software behind the scenes.
I see.
We have an updated anti-stall system within the engine.
Okay.
We've updated our active oscillate system and our hydraulics within our positive traction drive.
Okay, well, it sounds like it's a very versatile piece of equipment that is designed for not only a lower cost of ownership, but I assume a lower maintenance cost as well.
Exactly. That's where the lower cost of ownership comes in, is the savings on maintenance and the quick turnaround.
Okay.
You know, our customers buy these and they become assets in their yard, and they're really only making money when it's out on rent.
Absolutely.
So we're trying to shorten the amount of time it gets to get something back out on rent.
Perfect. Now I understand you also have another new model here that you'd like to highlight.
Absolutely. That's our third machine in the row over here. It's our Z45 Efi Hybrid. So this is the second hybrid boom from Genie in our Efi line.
Okay.
So we've had the Z60 Efi Hybrid for some time now.
Right.
And today we're launching it on a Z45 platform. We're really excited because this is a step forward in our technology.
Right.
We've got more efficient drive motors to give even better performance, and we can confidently say we have leading hybrid technology in the industry.
So what are the advantages of using a hybrid machine versus a traditional model?
So for the rental business, it can serve more applications. So as a hybrid, it functions as a full electric boom, but it's got an engine set on there to provide power when needed to charge those batteries.
Okay.
So if you think about a job site that's going from dirt to a full warehouse, for example, this machine could go out there and run with no on-site power off of the diesel engine charging the batteries.
Sure.
And it could get the job done for the first half, that first life of the application. And then as the walls come up and the roof goes on, it can go to full electric mode and operate inside. The rental company doesn't have to do a swap out.
I see.
From an operator standpoint, you get way more fuel efficiency and you're spending less to keep the thing running. You can run on a full day on electric power with no engine running at all. It's a full 8-hour day.
Is that right?
Yeah, and with a full tank of gas, if you're using your diesel engine to charge your system, you can run a full week on a single tank of gas.
Okay, so why this particular size class? Why are you moving down in size range with the hybrids?
Yeah. So the Z45 globally is kind of the core of the market.
Okay,
As you look at Z-booms, that's really the bread and butter in most major markets, and that's where we can add a lot of value to our customers.
Okay.
So if you look across the Genie line, we actually have several different Z45s, just like I said at the beginning, to kind of match what our customers need, the right boom for the right application.
Okay.
So this boom here, this is an Efi Hybrid, so a 660-pound capacity, but if you needed something like higher capacity, our XC does offer a full 1,000 pounds.
Excellent, great.
Yeah.
So what else do we need to know about this particular model that differentiates it from, I mean, it seems to be about the only hybrid in this size class, is that correct? Or is it unique in other ways?
I would argue it's differentiated.
Okay.
Because as we go into hybrid, we're using the latest technology that we can in the industry to deliver real RT performance, the kind of driving and lifting performance you would only get from a diesel engine historically. So that's the mix. I would say confidently that hybrid is the future of the industry, and you will be seeing it across more products from us and others, I'm sure.
Sure.
Because it just makes a lot of sense. The electric drive motors on our Efi Hybrid system, they actually deliver better hill climbing, better rough terrain performance than even a traditional DC engine with hydraulic drive. The electric motors are actually 40% more efficient than a hydraulic drive system traditionally on the size boom. And they're fully sealed for less maintenance. So these can actually, they're IP67 rated, so they can actually go underwater by about 3 feet.
Oh, really?
And keep running.
Okay, okay. Now the one question would be, is there a cost difference there? And if there is, how does the construction business owner justify that cost difference? What is the ROI that brings that back to them?
Absolutely. It's a great question. The exact price is going to depend on market around the world. The return really comes down to a couple factors. So our customers make money on rental rate, and they make money on how often it's on rent, basically utilization. We believe the value of the Efi is that increased utilization. So because this can fit into a traditional diesel RT application, and it can fit into an indoor electric application, you have more opportunities to keep that machine out renting and earning money. And that's where the payback comes in on this product.
Absolutely, that added versatility to be able to do more with a single machine. Yep. Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Sean, for taking time to speak with us about the new products here at the show. Enjoy the ARA show, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you.